Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to mount your RAM mount to your Cat 299 using my laser cut bracket here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this bracket, take this ball stud. The RAM mount comes with 3 different lengths of screws. I use the medium length. Just go through here. The nuts will go on the back side here. They are an 11/32. If you don't have that oddball 11/32 socket, you can use a 9mm. Just be careful. And I like to put the screwdriver in the Phillips head and then use the socket to tighten the nuts. And I think if you would tighten the screw head, you'd probably strip it out. But with the screw and nut, I will get these as tight as I can, just because we're going to have lots of vibration. We don't want this thing ever coming loose. These are nylocks, so they shouldn't come loose. But we'll get them nice and snug. And after that, we are ready to go out to the machine and mount this up. So you will notice this comes with this rubber thing. That is actually to isolate your phone. My phone has an OtterBox. It's a rubber case. If I didn't have this and it was just the glass phone, you basically put this over the corners and you stretch this over, and pretty much you got to do that every time you're going to put it in the RAM mount. So I'm glad I have a rubber phone case. I would not want to have to use this thing. Alright, now once you're in your 299, we're going to come over to the left-hand window latch, and there's just 2 Phillips screws holding this bracket on for your window latch. So you take those Phillips screws out, take your RAM mount bracket assembly, and this will mount over the top of the OEM bracket. I'm not going to tighten these with the hand of Zeus, but you do want to make sure they're nice and snug. So the hard part's done. Next you take this guy and you have to loosen this wing nut up, or wing bolt rather, so that it'll slip over the ball. And then once you tighten this, it locks this in place. So if you want to adjust this, then you loosen this, and once this is loose, you can actually articulate this piece between here also. So you'll get this roughly where you want it, and then this is a torsion spring, so you just grab like that, put your phone in there, and you can adjust, fine adjust where you want it. And once you get it all exactly where you want, just snug that wing bolt up. You don't have to over tighten it, because you could actually damage it by over tightening it. That gives you nice access to your window latch, your key, and all that. So now you have a nice secure mount for your phone in your Cat 299 D3XE. Thanks for watching. Look in the description for the link to buy this specific RAM mount and the link to buy my laser cut bracket to make this a bolt-on affair. Thanks again.